How to make cooking tutorials. Cooking tutorials are a great way to learn how to cook new dishes and improve your cooking skills. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, cooking tutorials can help you master different cooking techniques, learn new recipes, and create delicious meals and desserts. Here are some tips on how to create effective cooking tutorials. Choose a recipe. Select a recipe that you're familiar with and that you think would be interesting and relevant to your audience. You can also choose a recipe that's trending or popular on social media to attract more viewers. Prepare your ingredients and equipment. Before filming, make sure you have all the necessary ingredients and equipment ready. This includes measuring cups, mixing bowls, cutting boards, knives, and other kitchen tools. Write a script. To keep your tutorial organized and easy to follow, write a script that outlines the steps of the recipe, including measurements and cooking times. You can also include tips and tricks to make the recipe easier or to add more flavor. Film your tutorial. Set up your camera and lighting in a well-lit and uncluttered area of your kitchen. Make sure your hands and the ingredients are visible in the frame. Speak clearly and explain each step in detail, while also showing the ingredients and the cooking process. Edit your video. After filming, edit your video to add music, subtitles, or special effects. You can also speed up or slow down certain parts of the video to make it more engaging. Publish your tutorial. Once your tutorial is complete, upload it to your YouTube channel or other social media platforms. Make sure to use relevant keywords, hashtags, and descriptions to make your tutorial easy to find and share. In conclusion, cooking tutorials can help you share your passion for cooking, teach others new recipes, and grow your audience. By following these tips, you can create effective and engaging tutorials that inspire and educate others. We really hope that you like this video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for regular updates.